always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about the full drop list. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, not the full drop list, probably like half the season drop in one week, so I'm not really gonna talk about all of that. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I do post a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. There's gonna be a Gleam link in the description that you guys can click to go ahead and enter in this Supreme TNF shoulder bag. It's gonna be completely free. All you have to do is like my videos and subscribe to the channel. It'll all be in the Gleam link. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Alright, bro, so we're not even gonna waste no time. We're gonna get straight to it, you feel me? We're gonna go ahead and talk about the most popular items, the ones that I feel like are possibly gonna do good resale wise. They might not even do good resale wise, just the ones that I think are the most hyped and probably the ones that are best worth it or have the higher chance of having something good as far as resale goes. Those are the ones that I'm gonna go ahead and talk about today. I feel like this shit about to snap off, bro. Like, what the fuck? I don't know. If my mic fall, my bad, but like, we gonna go ahead and get straight to it. This Kaws chalk box logo is probably the most popular item on here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit just so y'all can see that. This Kaws box logo is hard, bro. I feel like every color for this is gonna be a banger. I definitely do like that green one. The yellowish one is alright. Personally, I'd skip that one. That bluish purplish color is a banger. That light pink is fire. Every color besides like the baby yellow, I honestly don't know what the fuck I would wear that one with, but the other ones are actually pretty hard and I feel like I'd wear those, bro. Like, low key, this is a banger piece. I just don't know why they dropping in week one. That's beyond me, but this is fire nonetheless. I see some heat right here. Resale for this is probably gonna be like $300, something around that price point. I feel like the fact that it's Kaws and it's a box logo is gonna play a role on the price for this right here. It is the chalk logo, but we all know that that's the box logo that Kaws designed. We also do have the aluminum dice, which this is actually a fire ass item in my opinion. Low key, if I don't get the box logo, I definitely need these. I do have the playing cards from last season, so this right here is right up my alley. I love playing board games, all that kind of shit, so this right here is definitely something that I'm looking forward to. As far as resale goes, I honestly don't know how that's gonna go, but the fact that these are aluminum means that the branding isn't gonna rub off. That's amazing, because low-key, you roll dice, you feel me? It's like, that shit would rub off quick if it was just the white little paint on it. Definitely a vibe on these. There's gonna be 5 dice in it, and if y'all can see right here, we're gonna get some soap bubbles, so we're gonna get some bubbles as the free gift. I don't know who, bruh, who said that was a go? Who said choose the bubbles? Like, I don't understand. We could have got some Purell hand sanitizer. We could have got some masks. Like, come on, what the fuck? There's like a one-time opportunity to get some masks for free. Like, that could have been fire. Who is using the bubbles, bro? Who is using the bubbles? Let me know down below, because low-key, that's ridiculous. Another thing is, if y'all see right after the bubble bullshit, we are going to be seeing XXL sizes this season, so I'm assuming hoodies are gonna be XXL, pants are gonna be on some big boy shit too, and so are the tees. My big boys out there, if you're just welcoming into Supreme, we receive you with open hands on this side. I was once a XXL boy, I'm not afraid to say it, but we're working our way down in this bitch. I've been working out, eating healthy, you feel me? Potatoes and chicken in this bitch. But hey, we accept all shapes and sizes. Soon we're gonna need extra small for my extra frail people in this piece, you feel me? But XXL boys, hello, welcome. We welcome you here. You are appreciated equally. We got these Kaws chalk logo skate decks. These are actually hard. Definitely wouldn't mind having one of these in my collection. As far as resale goes, I could possibly see $100, maybe like $110, something like that, but I don't think that this is gonna go for like $150 or some crazy shit like that. This logo Zippo, I feel like we've seen this before. Am I tripping? Or have we seen this shit before? I don't think I'm tripping. I probably own that shit. I'm not even gonna lie. We do got the Hanes briefs coming out in this purple colorway. I need the Great Ponte, bro. The Great Pontes are coming home with me. I need those for sure. This Raphael tee is low-key a big ass letdown. I feel like if they would have done the little cartoon like I said in the lookbook, it would have been 10 times better, but apparently they decided to go somewhere else with it. shit. I think it's alright, but like it just could have been better. I even think it would be cool if there's like a purple shirt, an orange shirt, a blue shirt, and then this one, and each of them had a different character. Like the purple one had Donatello, the orange one had Mikey on it, and the blue one had Leonardo on it. That would be fire. We got the Zoku glass core. Oh, this is glass. That's actually fire, bro. I feel like the glass bottle is actually a clean touch. They normally just do the little plastic shits or the metal ones when they do collab with Sig, but the fact that they're collabing with Zoku, I don't know who the fuck Zoku is, but they're doing something right over there on that side. We got the 190 Bowery skate deck. If y'all know, this is where Supreme is located in New York. I feel like that's actually a clean piece. Definitely do want to get that skate deck as well. We got loose gauge beanies, which you can never, ever, don't get it twisted, you can never go wrong with loose gauge beanies. Low key, this is probably one of the most wearable. I love wearing beanies and hats, and this is probably what I love right here. Definitely would get that light blue colorway. The black, you can't go wrong with that peach. That lime green gotta go, but like the other ones are cool. We got the Hanes socks releasing too. Resell for the beanies, I don't exactly know how that's gonna go. And as far as the Bowery skate deck and the glass bottle, I don't know if those will have resell as well. Maybe the Raphael tee, maybe, who knows. The kite probably will have some type of resell. If the price on the kite is under $50, it definitely will make sense. It would even be cool if you fly the kite and then you have somebody flying the drone over the kite, recording that shit. That would be kind of fire, but hey, that's something like out there. We got the world famous champion ring. That shit is terrible, bro. It's not even real gold, just like gold plated, so that's a dub. We got the 5 Boroughs tee, classic logo, same shit. We got the Hanes Ponte, which always drop. We got the Spell Out track set. I honestly don't really care too much about those. I feel like the jacket is better than the pants, but if you do have both, I feel like it'll make the actual branding complete, because only part of the branding is on the jacket, then part of the branding is on the actual pants, which is probably gonna inspire some dickhead out there to get both and just wear it. My bad if that's what you're trying to do. My bad. I'm just playing with you, bro. Don't get offended. Don't get offended. So I do want to say that if you guys are trying to go ahead and boost your chances at buying the Supreme Kaws box logo this week, you should probably go ahead and check out addictio. I'm gonna leave them linked at the top of the description if you guys are interested. When it comes to pieces like this, it's actually pretty hard to go ahead and secure them manually. That's why it's good to go ahead and have a backup option, something like addictio, which can come in and scoop the item for you. Literally, you put the tasks in and it automatically will boost your chance at securing these hype items. From the Kaws box logo to the skate deck, water gun tee, the Raphael tee, there's a bunch of different items that you definitely want to go ahead and get. addictio does cover 85+ stores, from Kids, Supreme, Bape, Undefeated. The list literally goes on. Addict has one of the most advanced technologies. They've been updating the bot like crazy to make it more efficient. Bot is like $130 and you can split the payment into 4 separate payments. It's even less when you use my promo code Astro for 10% off. So you pay this price and you don't ever have to pay it again. They have unlimited tasks, so you could literally run for the box logo, run for the Zippo, run for anything else that you're trying to cop. They even have their YouTube channel, which they do go into detail as far as how to run the bot. So any questions you guys may have, you can go ahead and watch their YouTube channel. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave it linked at the top of the description. Go ahead and check them out. But let's go ahead and get back into this video. We got the Spiral tee, which I'm interested in seeing what other colorways this is gonna come out in. I feel like they've done that same like little square design on like a couple pieces, and I own all them shit so far. So I'm interested in seeing what other colorways they're gonna have for this piece right here. We got the Hanes purple tagless as well. The bandana faux fur bomber is actually pretty clean. I feel like the ARC logo on the back of this is hard. I definitely do love that black colorway, and I also do love the pink colorway as well. The pink one's gonna go for some bread. Trust me when I tell y'all, the pink and the black is probably gonna go for some beans. We got the Duffies coming out. You can't go wrong with a Duffy. Duffies all day. I definitely do like that. Camo colorway is pretty hard, and then the tan colorway if I was to choose another one. There's corduroy S logos coming out. Definitely like that light blue colorway, but corduroy is just not my vibe. We got the Biggie Small short sleeve top, kind of fire, not gonna lie to y'all. I don't know what I would wear those with, maybe like the Trav ones. Then you got the backpack coming out. You got the waist bag coming out. The bags are alright. I don't know if I love the actual book bag. Like the shape on that shit is kind of weird, but we got the stacked crew neck. I feel like this first week is fucking tremendous. Like there's way too many items coming out the first week, bro. Dead ass though, look at this shit. It's dead ass endless, bro. Look at this. I feel like this is more items than they've ever dropped on a week one. Maybe I'm just tripping, but this stacked crew crew neck is actually pretty hard. Definitely do like it in that like navy colorway. The gray is clean. Even the purple is hard on this one. The white is so clean. I just feel like that shit would get disgusting. The waist bag is not that bad. I do like the fact that where it says Supreme is actually like a translucent or like a thin material, so you can see through it. The tan one is clean. The camo is clean. All of those are actually pretty fire. This blurred arc logo is pretty fire as well. I do like the burgundy color, and then the minty green is beautiful on this piece. That green color, I really hope they use that on another piece. The Champions logo, I love New Era hat. I love fitteds, you feel me? Like fitteds is where I'm at lately with it, and I don't know how I feel about having every fucking year on the back of this one. 27-time champions. I don't know how I feel about that on the back of this, but this is a clean hat. Like regardless, you can't go wrong with a small Supreme logo on the front. It's just perfect. Honestly, I might debate going for it simply because there's just not that many fitteds coming out, and I always love buying fitteds from Supreme, at least lately. We got the socks, the Chino Twill Camps ass. The sticker skate deck is another fire skate deck. Definitely love this one right here. It's reminiscent on a bunch of different Supreme tee designs, like the spinach one, the Child of Hell tee, the one right here, which I honestly forget the name of this one. The one with the dude is on like the Sugar Rush, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, a bunch of different Supreme designs on that piece. The Prodigy tee is actually not that bad as well. They do pay a lot of homage to Prodigy, and that's actually pretty cool. The skeleton tee is so ass. The neck pouch is basically the shoulder bag for this season. This shit does look kind of small though, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's 1.5 liters, which is pretty fucking small. What the fuck was that? Pretty small though. Yo, there's too many pieces. This Don't Hate one is actually pretty fire as well. That cream and then the white is pretty clean. All these colors are actually hard. I do like them a lot. We got some wheels. Who gives a shit about that? Sling bag, same shit as the waist bag, same colors. Do like the camo, do like the tan. This Gone Stars hooded sweatshirt is fire as well, especially in that black colorway. I clowned it for looking like some SpongeBob Patrick Star type hoodie, but it doesn't look that bad in that black colorway. I feel like I would possibly wear that. You got the 6'9" tee, the Wind tee, which is actually not bad. You got some trucks. The tees are mediocre this season, I'm not gonna lie. And then you got this laser cut S logo. If I'm looking at this shit correctly, there's holes on the sweater, so if you're not wearing like a good tee under it, your nipples gonna be cold in this bitch. Like it's gonna be a little draft coming through this piece. I don't know how y'all feel about that, but personally that's a dub for me. This Gore-Tex long bill camp cap, why is it a long bill? Like if this would have been a regular hat, I definitely would have went for this. I love the design and I honestly love the way that it looks on a hat, but what the fuck is the brim doing? Like the brim is doing one of these on the front. Like where are you going with that? Nobody knows. The sticker shell jacket is fire. Why week one, bro? All these items on week one is making it damn near impossible if you're not trying to drop 2 racks. Like if this item would have came out on a different week, I definitely would have went for it. Just like this Love hooded sweatshirt, it's probably one of my favorite hoodies from the season, and the fact that it's dropping week one with a bunch of other shit is making it a hard cop, bro. If I end up buying the box logo, I probably won't be able to buy this because there's a bunch of other shit I do want, but in all honesty, I might even like this Love hooded sweatshirt more than the box logo. Like I think this hoodie is so fucking sick that I might even, like thinking about it now, I might even go for this before the box logo. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This crest tee is so ass. Like I don't know where they going with this one. The real shit is ass. The fuck down jacket, fuck down, this shit is fire too. I feel like it's another clean piece that is just gonna go unnoticed due to so many fucking items dropping. Why are they dropping shorts on week one? Like cut it out, bro. There's some jeans coming out. Paneled crew neck shit is ass. We have 14 minutes. This shit is short so far, bet. These bleached rib beanies, ass, bro. Don't do it to yourself. The firecracker down jacket is another banger jacket that I feel like I would have bought had it not been week one, bro. It's too much shit. I do like the fact that there's a pair of Jordan 1s on here. I haven't really looked at it completely in detail, but I do think that that's a pretty sick piece. The totes, just more shit. It's honestly too many things dropping. I know I've said that so many times. This reversible tech jacket is actually hard as well. That gray with the light gray under it is probably my favorite. Damn, they're dropping the mosaic long sleeve as well. I honestly really wanted this piece. That shit is looking like a dub. They're dropping the sticker pants too. This shit could take a seat. The logo trim, whatever the fuck, that shit could take a seat. These stonewashed denim, I'm good on that shit. This thin stripe, whatever. Street sign sweater, whatever. Work pants, they alright, they cool. I don't normally buy work pants, so I'm good on that. The favorite mesh back hat, what? The hooded face mask parka, good on that shit too. I never even saw these flight pants. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a shot. Too much shit going on. Close that real quick. Street signs beanie right here, we good on that. The Scott leather work jacket, that shit is gonna go for some bread. We got the lenticular patch beanie, whatever the hell that means. We got this button up right here, the Flavor Flav fucking cotton candy stripe Oxford button up. That S Repeat sweater shit is ass. Yo, they literally put that design on too many items now, bro. The bell hat too, like, come on. We got a bullet hat, shit is ass. The ear hat, who said this is a go? Like, who in their right mind said, yo, look at my ear, bro, look at my fucking ear? That's the next design, bro. I fucking got it right. Supreme in the ear, ship that shit out. These fools will buy that shit, bro. If you buy the ear tee, we got some shit to talk about. This logo rib beanie, this logo rib short sleeve, ass. And on that note, that's pretty much everything I feel like is gonna drop this week. If they add anything else, bro, they wildin', like they fucking wildin'. There's too many items releasing already. If they add anything else to this drop list, they literally on the dope themselves. But my favorite items honestly has to be the water pistol. The dice is fire. The Kaws box logo is hard. The skate deck is fire too. I don't really like this fucking Raphael tee, but I'm gonna go for it regardless. The Bowery skate deck is fire. The kite is hard. Loose gauge beanies can never go wrong with. This spiral tee is alright. The duffel is actually pretty hard. You can't go wrong with Biggie. The Prodigy tee is hard. This skate deck and the box logo New Era are actually pretty clean. Personally though, if I was to buy one piece, this Love hooded sweatshirt is beautiful. I don't know what it is, but the Old English font, the colors, like that purple one is just beautiful. I would definitely wear that with my court purples. The gray one is fire. That shit is just beautiful. Definitely love that piece. That shell jacket is fire too. If this hat was a regular fitted, that would have been my priority this week. But low-key, let me know what you're going for this week. I feel like there's a lot of bangers. There's a lot of ass shit releasing as well. There's probably like 50 items plus dropping on week 1. That's kind of why I used the green screen. I didn't want to have to crop out every single item, so I do apologize. If you guys would like me to do these videos on the green screen, let me know down below. If you would like me to do it standing up with my backdrop active, let me know as well. Any kind of video ideas that you have, leave them in the comments and I will get to them. I promise you guys will also get a shout out. Whenever you do give me a video idea, I will shout you guys out. Matter of fact, since we here already, let's go ahead and give you guys some post notification shout outs. Shout out to the homie Gabriel Forever, shout out Joanna, shout out Bebe, shout out Bryce, the homie Ocean Waves and Cocaine. I feel you, brother. This season is looking kind of fire. Miguel Rivera, shout out to you, homie. Alberto, shout out to you. We got some more homies over here. RTZ, Max, Sean for always showing love. Anthony, 4 cheese blend. What kind of cheeses you blending, my brother? We got Gavin in the building. Shout out to you, bro. I'm gonna respond in a second. Shout out to the Kaws hoodie is mandatory. For real, thank you to each and every one of y'all who come through, show some love. It definitely does mean a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and respond to the rest of these comments, but with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Show some love, leave a like, subscribe down below, click them post notification bells. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.